Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant Kumar. In this video, I am presenting my project named TLB Performance Analyzer. So first, let me explain the problem. In operating system, every memory access require address translation using page table. This process is slow because it involves accessing memory multiple times. To solve this, a translation look aside buffer or TLB is used. It is small cache that store recently used page table and speed up address translation. So now I will explain the objective of my project. This project is to simulate the working of TLB and analyze its performance by calculating hit rate, miss rate, and EMAT, effective memory access time. I also compare different configuration to understand how performance changes. Now let understand how the system work. For each logical address, the address is divided into page number and offsets. The system first check the TLB in the page is found in TLB. It is called hit. If not found, it is called miss and the page table is accessed. If there is miss, the TLB is updated using replacement policies such as FIFO or LRU. Now, I'll explain the module of my project. So, module 1. In this address translation engine, which convert logical address into page number. Module 2 is the TLB simulation module, which simulates TLB behavior and handle its hit and miss condition using replacement policies. Module 3 in performance analyzer, which calculate hit ratio and miss ratio and EMA and compare result of different configurations. Now let me demonstrate my project. Here I provide inputs such as logic addresses, page sizes, TLB size. When I run this simulation, you can see the system process each address and show whether it hit or miss. The current state of TLB after process all addresses system displays. Total number of hit and miss, hit rate and miss rate, effective memory EMA, also called EMAT. Now let's look at analyze. I mean, now look at analysis. When I increase TLB size, more entries can be stored. The increase in hit rate as hit rate increase, EMA decrease. This show that a large TLB improve performance. Also compare result with without TLB. Without TLB, every access go through memory. This result is higher access time with TLB. Many access are served quickly. These reduce overall memory access time. Now let me talk about replacement policies, FIFO place and oldest entry in TLB. LRU represents least recent used entries. LRU generally perform better because it keep frequent use in memory which improve hit rate. Finally, Finally, the conclusion. This project shows that TLB significantly improve memory access performance. Higher hit rate lead to lower EMA. Replace policy affect efficiency in future. These projects can be extended by me. Adding more advanced replacement policies including graphical visualizations, simulation, multi-level memory system. That's it for my side. Thank you for watching my presentation.